Hello, Randy Rain here, and check it out. I have another Power Up Speedway racing game made by TOMY, put out exclusively by Woolworth. I've already done one video on one of these games, and it's really cool, but this one is in excellent condition. Never been used, never been touched, never been put together. It came out of the factory, it's set in a warehouse somewhere, I guess, and somehow it ended up with me 40 something years later, I guess. Never once been used, and every single piece is there. The stickers and the tubing hasn't even come out of the bag yet. So that means if I can get this one working, the other one is for sale on eBay. So let me see what I can do. Now, besides the main mechanical part that sends the cars up the track, that definitely has to be worked on. But there's a whole nother problem, and that problem is a chemical reaction that I can't believe happened. You can see where these tubes were laying on this track. The tubes have little black marks on them, and the track has soft spots. And you can see it matched up, and it went through this bag. I have seen this before, but I've never seen it happen through a plastic bag before. They're always laying directly on contact with each other. They don't have another piece of plastic in between them. But obviously that doesn't matter, because just these tubes sitting on this through this plastic bag had a chemical reaction and melted this track. But I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to first work on the mechanics. So what's it going to look like sitting around doing absolutely nothing after almost 50 years? So these screws were put in at the factory. It was all packaged up. And then for almost 50 years it sat around until it found me. And I'm taking them right back out. That's kind of funny. Yep, you got these little things that get blown onto. Got the wheels. And they can ride up, and if they ride up, they don't shoot the car as good. But if you blow on these with a little pump just right, it will move the thing in front so that they can't rise up, and they'll get a better grip, and it'll shoot the car faster. That's such a crazy idea. Look, cracking. Never touched, never used. Okay, that looks fine. That came off awful easy. Never, ever been used. Never. It was packaged up in the factory. This was good. It sat around for 48 years, split, and now I have it, and I'm replacing it. So that's your typical 10-tooth gear that I'm going to replace. And this one led a pointless life. It was not even used. Redundant. Unnecessary. Pointless. I guess we should undo this then. It's all dried up. Yeah, there's like no scratches on there whatsoever. I should have checked this motor. I'd be surprised if it even worked. hit it with the 9-volt. Confused. No, that was right. I had it right. I'm just going to try to fix this. Pretty simple how this works. The motor turns here to here, and it's making these things go this direction. And if a car goes in there, these little rubber spikes here grab the car and shoot it up the hill. When your car normally comes in here, it pushes these up. These all can ride up just a little bit. And if you come in here, they get pushed up and they don't get a really good grip on the car, so it just barely flings it up the hill. And that's what these things are for. On the air tubes are coming in here to these tiny little nozzles, and they're blowing down on these. And so, as soon as you do blow it down, it can't lift up. If it's not, it can. As soon as the car comes in, or about to come in, you hit this little squeeze bubble, blows air, keeps that wheel from coming up, gets a better grip on your car, shoots it faster up the hill and back down. And that's the counter. And that's it. So this is my first set. I've already done a video on this one. Everything is complete and working. Only thing it's missing is the instructions, which I will copy those. And then this one is the fully complete one, except it has this chemical reaction here, which went through that plastic, which amazes me. But I have another one that's incomplete. I only have 2 cars, 2 pumps. I haven't even looked inside this thing because it's in bad shape. But all the track is there. And I got that piece out of it. I'm opening this. I have to check everything else out. No reaction there. Yeah, those are perfectly fine, except for the little black marks. But they're going into a better bag. And I've already put these in a better bag, so it doesn't happen to this one. Alright, I've debated and debated whether to do these stickers, and I've decided I'm going to. With the blue, yellow. Who has green? White has green. I don't know how well you can see on these, but you can see the sides of them are completely flat for where the sticker can go. And then if you look down below, you can see little, it's round areas here. Round, round, poking up round. Part of the plastic. Well, here's the car. You can see that there's not a flat area right here. They've raised it up so it can ride better on the track, it looks like. And there is no round thing that I can see here. So they changed the design of these cars after they took this picture. And so now really the only place to put the sticker would be there. And they don't stay worth a damn. Okay, they're only getting the numbers. Never been squeezed. Oh yeah, feels good to give the first squeeze. Here's something interesting. Which one of these slots do you think had the red car in it? Isn't that weird? I couldn't tell you what any of the other cars had, but I know the red car was in that one. What is it with red? Red doesn't stay in your hair either. Open battery cover, push down, place batteries, insert the topper, connect all the tracks with each other in numerical order, pillars, connect. I pretty much get that. Okay. Come on. There we go. Some scary sounds there. 8 to 9. This is my replacement piece right here. Oh yeah, it sounds. You can hear the difference. 9, 10. 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
This guy gets locked into place there. Well, these fit on really good. So there it is, another Power Up Speedway racing game made by TOMY, and this one is in excellent condition, and this one's mine, which means the other one I have is on eBay right now. So if you want one of these that's working and in good condition, not this one, but my other good one, it's on eBay right now, and I have backup parts if we ever need anything, so go check that out. But let's have a look at this one. So if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are people helping me out, bringing me the Power Up Speedway racing game. So I thank them oh so very, very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there's links and all that stuff. So thanks very much for watching. Check out the links with the eBay and the patron. There's super things, all that stuff. And I put out a video every Saturday, so check that out. Thanks for watching.